Welcome everybody. A little bit different setup. We're just doing a chilling and talking. Am I still on screen? Okay, I am. I'm like backed up my camera as far as possible. I don't have a very long cord for it. Anyways, we're doing an unboxing. Disclaimer: this is not paid promotion at all or anything like that. This is a gift that I received from all my wonderful viewers. Main shout out is going to Kirby X Forever. And we got Ryu. Ryu, I don't remember let us to your game jack. I apologize. Anyways, these two donated to this, and I'm super excited to open it up. It's going to improve stream quality, efficiency, me being able to see my screen when I'm playing. So hopefully I don't die as much. Anyways, sup, Dino, I just saw that. Yes, it is Kirby and Ryu funded. Fun fact, it technically counted as Curb's purchase. Anyways, I know I almost never die, and I've explained this in my other streams, and you know it. I am a very prideful gamer, and if I die, I rage quit. Not as bad as I used to. I don't break controllers. Okay, Ryu, what up? Thank you, man. But yeah, I try not to die. I don't know why. I just feel so bad. Like, you guys are watching the game. You're not watching to die. Like, I mean, granted, I mean, I guess there are, there are some modes. Like, if I do a hardcore mode, like I do plan to, or something like that with like Elden Ring or something like that after a first playthrough. Or, because Hogwarts Legacy, I'm gonna kick it up to hardcore one of these times, but that's gonna be a piece of cake, not gonna lie. But, like Forspoken, that's gonna be rough. But yeah, I try not to die. Anyways, if I do die, I promise you it is either not my fault or it's the most ridiculous way ever. You know, I really need to figure that out. I know nobody just subscribed. If somebody did, I am sorry if I just dissed you. It's not giving me any notifications, and I've noticed if just one person subscribes, the audio doubles. So, I need to figure that out. Anyways, here we are. We're doing an unboxing. This is roughly the size of what we're dealing with. Once again, this is not paid promotion. I just love Asus. They got good quality for good price. At least that's my personal opinion. I mean, they're a little bit on the higher price side, but at the same time, you pay for what you get. I normally carry a knife with me, but I'm trying to keep this as nice as possible. Asus is king. That's, I believe, why is that sticky? That's not weird at all. Box is sticky. Hopefully it's not broken. And yes, Dino, Asus is king. Asus is also the laptop I have picked out right now, and my end goal, I have a list of parts and pieces that I want end goal for my max setup, and the monitors that I want are Asus as well. So I love Asus. They do really well. Even their laptops are surprisingly well. I haven't actually ran anything on a PC monitor. But anyways, here we go. We got the Zen screen. 15.6. It does flip it. Okay. But yeah. Oh, I didn't even realize this. In search of incredible. Ultra slim. There are different types of this one. I ordered the one that has a USB-C port because USB-C is king. Asus sets a standard for gaming laptops, won't lie. I don't know why they aren't higher on the list. They are amazing. Facts. I will admit, when I was looking at trying to figure out a gaming laptop to replace this piece of junk, I was going to look at Alienware. I have an older brother who he served in the Air Force on the tech side of things, and he had an Alienware and he loved it. But all of the reviews I found of all the like the new stuff suck. Like everything, like Asus is putting Alien. Like I looked up best gaming laptops, Alienware, not even mentioned. I looked up any gaming tech, Alienware's nowhere to be seen on any of those lists. So I wonder if it's just partially a overpriced thing. I don't know. I just know Asus is good. Alienware was hyped up so much, and then it was cool for a bit, but Asus smashed that boy through the ground. Facts, Dino. You know what? Before we continue further, I'm getting bothered that you guys cannot see my chat. So give me just a minute. Asus does last longer. They have an amazing life. Sorry, I got to click over to here to find my chat button. There we go. Copy that. Up here. And boom. We got chat overlay now on the screen. Sweet. Okay. I probably should have set that up a while ago, but it's fine. Yeah, I think that might be what is killing Alienware, and they're just not fixing it. So, and there is Ryu with the trifecta. Or the little one banging on the door. Oh, I don't have those things on this screen either. That's okay. This is just supposed to be an intro screen anyways. So, let's get into this. I got first look, opening the box. Nice pretty package, styrofoam all the way around. The thing I liked about this one and why I ordered this one's... Oh, this is just the case. I picked this up and it bent. I'm like, I just broke it. It said ultra thin, but I didn't know it meant that thin. Anyways, that's supposed to be the case, I believe. All right, this should be user manual that nobody reads. So we're just going to toss that over that way. Instructions that also I definitely don't read. Okay, so I figured it would be like this. So I got USB-C to USB-C. I do have a USB-C port on my PC. I will admit, I don't know if it's going to work. Oh, I didn't know they had a heating problem. Oh, that's funny. I just realized where the chat is located. Oh, that's wonderful. It looks like I'm like actually reading the chat on my PC. That's great. The computers burn themselves out. Damn. Yeah, that always sucks when your computer cannot keep itself cool. Like, that's just sad. All right, first layer of styrofoam. Hooray, let's kill the turtles. I didn't say that out loud. This is like... I can't even get a finger between the screen and the styrofoam. This is snug. At least I know it wasn't bouncing around. Asus. Props. Okay, empty box. Oh, there it goes. That took a second to slide out. All right, so we got tablet thingy. I don't even want to call it a tablet. It's literally just a screen. All right. Oh, that looks so nice. This is so much bigger than what I was running on. So much. Is it the same size? It's the same size as my laptop. Sweet. All right. Oh, okay. Sweet. It does have a little mount on the back. I don't know if you guys saw that. It's a little screw-in mount that I'll be able to use later to be able to mount it up. So that's nice, actually. I'll definitely be, honestly, the way this thing is looking, I will be able to hold on to this thing for a while. So I'm excited. Like I said, I hope my USB-C port on my computer works well. But yeah, so we got screen right here. I'm sorry, that's the moment I realized it was balancing like that. So yeah, basically Alienware can handle big games easy, but it overheats so easy and dies pretty fast because of that. And they have had bad support unless you can specifically get a hold of Alienware instead of their support. Dude, honestly, let's be honest. That's just true for any company. They always handle through third-party supports. Don't mind me, just... This is way too entertaining. Asus lasts forever, can run basically anything, and does not overheat easy. Yeah, I was borrowing my roommate's laptop to play Power World because my laptop can't handle it. And I wanted to start a multiplayer world because I thought that was going to be fun. So, yeah, it's onboard system. Like, it comes with a... crap, what is it called? It's just the computer status, like the temperature. Like, it's got a temperature gauge in it and everything. And on like, I was running Power World, and I was running it, and I had it sitting between my lap and my couch. Because I do not have, like, yes, it looks like I have a really nice wooden desk. It's not. It's an entertainment center that I have repurposed as my desk. I have no leg room. It is seriously right here. It's just straight back. Like, this is the back of it. The front of it just has a bunch of books in it right now. Yeah, free full access to your computer stats. Facts. But yeah, I was running it between my lap and my and the couch, so on fabric and everything like that. It wasn't a leather couch, it was on fabric, and it was starting to overheat. It was getting pretty hot, but it didn't get over. I think it was 93. Was it what it peaked at? You can troubleshoot the computer through the computer. Facts. I love it when they have the onboard systems. Okay, so we got cable or screen. I'm gonna leave the screen there for a second. Was most excited about this because if this is what I think it is, this should be both carry case and like its own stand. All right, I'll make sure it's garbage bag right there. I don't care. More instructions. Useless instructions. Anyways, I rarely see Velcro of this quality. Like, this is not, I don't want to say crappy. It doesn't hold, but it's not going to rip easily. Like, it's super easy to open and close, but if I do that and I like shake it, it's not going to come out. I love this Velcro the most. Is this? Hold up. Anyways, I'm actually gonna grab that instruction sheet because it's implying that this is the tripod thing. If so, this is so cool. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's enough to give you a third, I think even a second degree burn. Anyways, yeah, it was 93 Fahrenheit, by the way. I know. It's what I was born on. Okay, I will admit, I'm glad I'm looking at the instructions because the instructions don't even make sense. Okay, so is the Velcro supposed to stick to itself? That and a third. That equal? That is equal. So it doesn't matter, it looks like. One is a little bit stiffer, so I assume one is their back. Oh, those are the little lips. Okay. Hold up. I'm like... No way. That's so cool. Sticks to itself. That's so cool. Yeah, and yeah. Anything higher than that is definitely an issue. This is pretty cool. This is the case. Like this like if I have this all the way open, I shut one side. It's a snug fitting case. That would have murdered an Alienware and your sofa. Facts. So like 95 Fahrenheit. In terms of computers, your roommate's computer didn't even overheat, and that's not, yeah, it was on a fabric sofa. Guys, this fits so nice. I'm not worried about like this breaking at all in here. Aces, fucking, let's go. I still have the cable to figure out, but that fits in there so snug. Yeah, see that, like that Velcro, it's hard to. It's nice and snug in here though. That's super nice. There we go. Yeah, and then you just literally just piece this together, corner to corner, and then it stands. It's got these two little like hard fabric. It's like a warm hug. Someone looks like they need. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there is little tabs right here that I'm basically just supposed to prop it open somehow, and then it just sits on it. I'm so afraid I'm gonna break this. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's one. So that's the upright. It actually stays in there pretty well. You can kind of see it right here. And then this one is supposed to be for a little bit later back. Okay. I don't know how well you guys are seeing. I'm like, that ring is so pretty. Thanks. Okay, I see how that's supposed to work. Okay. But yeah, here, so you guys, it's my little, because like my camera is right here in it. You can kind of see it. But yeah, I got different, this is why you guys see all those different colors. It actually shows up pretty well in the reflection, not gonna lie. But yeah, I normally keep it on that one just because it's fun. But yeah, that's what I use for the lighting. I turn off the overhead light because yellow's disgusting. Anyways, let's get some power to this, hopefully. The little 3-foot cable. USB-C to USB-C. This should be a straight go. I genuinely have only used this port on my PC, on my laptop, once. And genuinely, it was to try and hook up a controller because I have another USB-C to C, and it's for my Oculus Quest 2. I don't think he is, Dino. All I know is on my end, it's just saying, oh, Curb is at work. She messaged me. All right. Well, I heard a little ping. I don't know if you guys heard that. It's registered. Ooh, that looks so clean. Hold up, we're going to rotate that this way. I do not know how well this is going to show up. You can see the little on light button. Oh, there it goes. Type C, no signal. I'm going to take out the sticker. That makes me so happy. It was not on the screen at all. Okay, so it said no signal. I will admit that might be an issue. I have no idea how, like, I know it's a Type C port. I don't know if it supports everything. All right, let's try getting it to go on, I guess. So where's my Windows screen? I never use this button, and I swear I press it all the time. So that one? There we go. All right, we are... Okay. I might need to dig out the manual again. It's got power. I will say that. It has power. I just don't know if it's got signal. We might need to go to the store and get a data transfer cable. Or figure out why, like what kind of port this is. An HP. Gotta love it. Yeah, it's not registering the screen at all. Hold up. Let's find. Over there. I did it to myself. What is this? I could probably try hooking it up to my Xbox, actually. No, that wouldn't work because it's USB-C. Oh, I might have to go online and download a driver. Good to know. That might be the problem. Where's the other one? I knew there wasn't just this one, right? Or was there? Guys, I'm already losing it. I think this is it. All right. Try it with your roommate's computer. I might need to. But hold up. This thing he mentioned a driver, and if that's the case, then yeah, because it says please check Ace's website for latest user manual, driver, and display widget software update. It's got less than. It's saying. Oh, it's got a little lock button. Interesting. I can make it so it has a longer than a 5-second delay. Interesting. It's got its own little brightness menu. All right, let's go on to the interweb. Yeah, I'm gonna do an internet. I'm gonna do a book. All right, Asus. Let's go. Asus. I forgot the first. All right, Asus. Let's go. That one, the USA one, because I've discovered. What is that? It's an Asus ZenBook Duo, and it's like a tablet that has 2 screens that can connect to a keyboard. All right. We need. Here, maybe if we go to the displays, we have monitor, and this one. Did it say which one it was? Like which? It's the Zen screen, but I don't. All right, there we go. Zen screen portable. Sorry if you guys can't see any of this by now. Display. I'm like looking around, trying to find. Like it's not even mentioning drivers and stuff like that. Hold up. In accessories? No, it's not in accessories. Ah, it's in support. Drivers and manuals. We found it. All right. Please enter a model name. MB11. Hello. Unlock was on. 166C. Yep. That one. Driver and tools. Yes, open as many tabs as you can, Asus, please. Every time I click a new link, it's a new tab. All right. Let's download the driver package. It does have a driver package, so. I hate it when it does this. All right. All right. Okay, so we have that downloaded. And now let's display widget. What's that for? All I know is an exe, so let's hope that works. Yes, allow it to change devices. This poor computer. Please select language. English. I agree. Not reading it, but I agree to it. Application start menu, desktop shortcut. Yeah. Okay. We're just installing anything at this point. But you're right. I might need to try my roommate's laptop, which would suck if that's the case. All right, we're going to launch it. I probably could have opened like a little like see my window thing, but that's okay. So we got our selected monitor not supported. We might have to play around with this later, guys. System? Uh-huh. Yeah, okay. Oh, you're here? Sup? You're just at work, so you're on and off. That says software is current. All right. We got loading. We got spinning wheel of doom. I don't know what that did. What does that do? Identify display. Yeah, okay. This is one. So what is this? I'm gonna try turning it on again and see if that triggers. Okay, turn on. I might need to also look up like what port that is. Because if it's not supported, like if it's not a data transfer port, yeah, see, it just says type C no signal and goes into sleep mode. Let's look up what kind of port I have. What is... It says it can transmit video. Okay, it does say it does it. I swear I'm not this stupid. What is this? I swear there's always some random thing that always like stops it for whatever stupid reason. And it's never like it's never a common reason either. Like my I have the HD60S, yeah, HD60S Plus for the Elgato game capture card. Love it, but for whatever reason it stopped working, and I'm pretty certain it's my computer. All right, what'd you just do? I heard it, but I don't have my chat pulled up. Fine. All right, Pastor Chicken stretch. Just the two? All right. There, happy now? I'm sitting upright. I'm hunched over. Um, Well, that's all crazy stuff. All right. Let's see here. You guys are just watching me troubleshoot sitting here. Just go to the more display settings. All right. It's not even saying that it can detect another. Interesting. I downloaded the thing. I have the thing. It's just my computer's not even recognizing it as a display, which is weird. Yeah, it's not even. I might have to change where the driver's downloaded to. It's not even registering it as a device. And all right, guys, we might have to figure this out later. All right, let's see here. Move it over here. I might have to try this with my roommate's computer. It'd be upsetting. I mean, it would be proof that once again Asus is superior. All right, it's already a zip file. I don't want to compress it. Extract all. All right. Yeah. Okay. We have extracted whole file. I'm just opening everything at this point, trying to get it to open. And then my computer's over here like, it's an unknown publisher. What do you mean it's unknown? Okay, that's just all coding. It's there. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to troubleshoot with this later because my roommate is actively using their computer. Anyways, if this works, I love it. It already looks absolutely amazing. Asus, you've done it again. Just another little show off. It looks very clean. Okay. I'm excited to use this. Oh, I'm gonna click other buttons, see if I can get anything to. I'm just clicking everything now. I like to say I'm pretty good at computering, but at the same time, at the end of the day, well, that's just blinking. Is that supposed to just blink? I don't know. The buttons aren't doing anything. It's got nothing else on it. All right. Well, we unboxed it. I would love to give it a better review. But we're going to have to do some troubleshooting, and I don't want to bore all y'all with just me staring at the empty void. So I'm going to unplug this. It's got a solid, like, my computer knows something's plugged in. I hear it. I hear the little notification. I love this screen, though. I love this case. Like, I really do. This is awesome. Asus, I'm sorry I failed you. This is a wonderful screen. And it's all microfiber, too, on the inside of this case. I don't know if I said that. It's a snug fit. Like, I'm seriously... I have to push this sucker in. So, there we go. Love this. I really do. Yeah, there's no way, like... This is so nice, guys. Thank you again, Ryu and Kirby, for this wonderful support. One step closer to having really nice, fun streams. We're getting there. We are getting there. Slowly but surely. The Asus Zen screen, you look like you should be amazing. You look like you should be a lot of fun. A lot of help to the streaming. Up next, I think we got 2 upgrades next that I'm looking at. Like, even when I get extra money to kind of put into, is going to be getting rid of this thing and a new camera. So I could do much longer streams, because right now we're limited to when my camera dies. Yay! Anyways, I hope everybody has a wonderful day, evening, night. I will be on later tonight. Hopefully I'll have this all set up. I also have found a way to be able to stream to multiple places as well. So if you guys have a hard time with Twitch, or you prefer YouTube, or even Kick, like, I'm going to be doing those. I'm going to try to start streaming to TikTok as well. Try and bring in most of that stuff. However, Twitch is still my main. You guys are awesome. Twitch does really well. I'm excited to see where things go. I'm a little mad, like I wanted to go to TwitchCon too. That's a conversation for another day. Anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this wonderful unboxing video. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Well, all of those things. And I hope you all have a good time. And I will see you later tonight. I don't know what I'm playing yet, so there's no teaser there. I got options. I just don't know which one I'm doing yet. So, anyways, this is Ellen logging out. Later.